Welcome to our channel where we share valuable tips and tricks for making money. Today we are diving into the world of Airbnb hosting and sharing some expert tips to help you maximize your earnings. So if you have a spare room or an entire property that you are considering renting out, this video is for you. Curate a welcoming and comfortable space. When guests book your Airbnb, they are looking for a home away from home. Make sure your space is clean, well decorated, and equipped with all essentials they might need during their stay. Think about the little details that will make their experience memorable. Optimize your listing. To attract potential guests, you need to create a compelling list that stands out. Write a detailed and engaging description of your space, highlight its unique features, and mention any nearby attractions or amenities. Don't forget to include high-quality photos that showcase the best aspects of your property. Price it right. Setting the right price of your Airbnb can be a bit challenging. Research similar listings in your area and consider factors like location, amenities, and seasonal demand. Remember, it is better to start with the competitive price and adjust as you gain more experience. Provide exceptional guest experiences. Excellent reviews can go a long way in attracting more bookings. Respond to inquiries and messages often. Provide clear and detailed instructions for check-in and check-out. And consider adding thoughtful touches like a welcome basket or a local guidebook to help your guests make the most of their stay. Embrace the power of positive reviews. Reviews can greatly influence a potential guest's decision to book your space. Encourage your guests to leave reviews after they stay by providing exceptional service. Respond to reviews graciously, whether they are positive or constructive criticism, and show that you really care about your guest experience. Be a great host. Interact with your guests and be available to address any questions or concerns they might have. A warm and welcoming host can create a positive impression and make guests feel more comfortable during their stay. Stay on top of your calendar and bookings. Keep your availability up to date and respond to bookings inquiries. A quick response time can greatly increase your chance of securing bookings and maintaining a high occupancy rate. Understand the financials. Take the time to understand the cost associated with hosting, such as cleaning fees, maintenance expenses, and Airbnb service fees. Set a competitive pricing structure that takes these factors into account and ensure you are earning a profit. Build a positive reputation. As a host, your reputation matters. Be respectful and understanding towards your guests and strive to provide exceptional service. Positive interactions and reviews will help you build a solid reputation and attract more bookings in the long run. Enjoy the financial benefits. Airbnb hosting can be a lucrative source of income, but it is essential to remember to enjoy the process. Meeting new people, sharing your space, and providing memorable experience can be incredibly rewarding. So embrace the journey and relish in the financial benefits that comes with successful Airbnb hosting. Thank you for tuning into our Airbnb hosting tips. We hope you find them helpful in your journey to becoming a successful host. If you have any question or additional tips you would like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more money making tips. Happy hosting, and we will see you next time.